Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in FFB Live Chemistry classes. पिछले 2-3 दिनों से बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री इस चैप्टर पे हम केमिस्ट्री की जो बेसिक पॉइंट्स हैं उनके बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। तो 2 क्लासेस तुम्हारे हो चुके हैं और 3rd क्लास है जिसमें कि हम मूल कंसेप्ट के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला पिछले क्लास में बताया था और आज और भी कुछ कंपाउंड्स के मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला हम लोग देखेंगे। उसके अलावा मॉलिक्यूलर मास, एटॉमिक मास यूनिट और एवोगाड्रो हाइपोथेसिस और मोल कंसेप्ट, ये सारी चीज़ें आज के क्लास में हमको डिस्कस करनी है। तो टुडेज क्लास इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट। तो इन चीज़ों को ज़रूर समझना, क्योंकि समझने के बाद ही जब आगे हम केमिस्ट्री की और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं तो इन चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, और अगर नहीं आती रहती है तो हमें आगे प्रॉब्लम आती है। तो कल के क्लास में जैसा कि कुछ मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूलाज बताए थे केमिकल कंपाउंड्स के, तो आज और थोड़ा उसके बारे में थोड़े और केमिकल्स देखते हैं, जिससे एक आइडिया, जनरल आइडिया लगता है कि केमिकल फार्मूलाज का कंपाउंड्स के क्या होते हैं, किस तरह से लिखे जाते हैं। चैप्टर का नाम एज यू नो सम बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, और ये है नेम्स एंड केमिकल फार्मूला ऑफ कंपाउंड्स। कुछ के हमने पिछली क्लास से बताए थे और आगे हम यहाँ देखते हैं। यहाँ पे कॉमन नेम है, उसके बाद उसका केमिकल नेम और उसके बाद उसका केमिकल फार्मूला। तो पहले है फॉर्मेलिन, which is known as formaldehyde. 40% solution of formaldehyde is known as formalin. Molecular formula HCHO. Grain alcohol or spirit, this is chemical name of this compound, ethyl alcohol, and molecular formula C2H5OH. Green vitriol is a ferrous sulfate, molecular formula FeSO4.7H2O. इसी तरह जिप्सम कैल्शियम सल्फेट CaSO4.2H2O, गैमेक्सीन BHC, बेंजीन हेक्साक्लोराइड C6H6Cl6, हाइड्रोलिथ इज कैल्शियम हाइड्राइड, फार्मूला CH2, हाइपो एंटीक्लोर सोडियम थायोसल्फेट Na2H2O 3.5H2O. Indian nitrate is the potassium nitrate, molecular formula KNO3. Limestone is the calcium carbonate CaCO3. Lunar caustic is a silver nitrate AgNO3. Now laughing gas, nitrous oxide N2O. Litharge, lead monoxide PbO. And muriatic acid is hydrochloric acid HCl. Mohr's acid, ferrous ammonium sulfate, which is known as Mohr salt. Molecular formula FeSO4 NH4 whole twice SO4.6H2O. Now milk of magnesia is the magnesium hydroxide MEOH whole twice. Microcosmic salt, sodium ammonium hydrogen phosphate, is NaNH4HPO4. Marsh gas or damp fire is a methane CH4. Oleum sodium fumic oleum fusing sulfuric acid is the H2S2O7. उसके बाद है ऑक्सोन is the sodium peroxide Na2O2. Plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate hemihydrate CaSO4.5H2O. उसके बाद है philosopher's wool, zinc oxide is ZnO. Phosgene gas, carbonyl chloride COCl2. Pearl ash, potassium carbonate K2CO3. Pyrene carbon tetrachloride CCl4. तो picric acid is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, molecular formula C6H2OH NO3 whole twice. उसके बाद है क्विकलाइम कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड CaO. रेड लेड is the lead tetroxide Pb3O4. Sugar is sucrose C12H22O11. उसके अलावा स्लैग लाइम और मिल्क ऑफ लाइम इज कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड CaOH whole twice. Sal ammoniac is the lead acetate. Sal ammoniac is the ammonium chloride is ammonia is NH4Cl. Sugar of lead is the lead acetate CH3COO whole twice Pb. Now sand is the silicon dioxide SiO2. Table salt, common salt, sodium chloride NaCl. उसके बाद है TeL, टेट्रा एथिल लेड PbC2H5 वो whole 4. Tear gas is the chloropicrin CCl4NO2. Now washing soda, sodium carbonate Na2CO3.10H2O. उसके बाद है water glass, sodium silicate is the Na2SiO3 and white petrol is the zinc sulfate ZnSO4.7H2O. तो ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट केमिकल कंपाउंड्स हैं जिनके कॉमन नेम, केमिकल नेम और मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूलाज यहाँ पे बताए गए. Now atomic and molecular mass. One of the most important concepts derived from Dalton's atomic theory is that of atomic mass. That is, each element has a characteristic atomic mass. As atoms are very tiny particles, their absolute masses are difficult to measure. However, it is possible to determine the relative masses of different atoms if a small unit of mass is taken as a standard. For this purpose, mass of one atom of hydrogen was assumed. One atom of hydrogen was assumed as unity and was accepted as standard. The one atom of hydrogen was assumed as unity and was accepted as standard. The atomic mass of an element can be defined as the number of which indicate how many times the mass of the one atom of the element is heavier in comparison to the mass of one atom of hydrogen. Now, A is equal to atomic mass of an element is equal to mass of one atom of element divided by mass of one atom of hydrogen. In 1858, oxygen atom was adopted as a standard on account of the following reason. It is much easier to obtain compounds elements with oxygen than with hydrogen, as oxygen is more reactive than hydrogen. The atomic masses of most of the elements becomes approximately whole number, but with hydrogen as standard, the atomic masses of most of the elements are fractional. The mass of one atom of natural oxygen was taken to be 16. Thus, atomic mass of an element is equal to mass of one atom of the element upon 1 upon 16th part of the mass of one atom of oxygen is equal to mass of one atom of hydrogen upon mass of one atom of oxygen into 16. By accepting oxygen as standard, the atomic mass of hydrogen comes as 1.008, sodium 22.991 and sulfur 32.066. In 1961, the International Union of Chemists selected a new unit for expressing the atomic masses. They accepted the stable isotope of carbon-12 with mass number of 12 as the standard. Now, atomic mass of an element can be defined as the number which indicate how many times of mass of one atom of the element is heavier in comparison to 1/12th part of the mass of one atom of carbon. Excuse me. आवाज आ रही थी बाहर से बहुत, इसको मैंने बंद कर दिया. Okay. Now come again this. Atomic mass of an element can be defined as the number of which indicates how many times the mass of one atom of element is heavier in comparison to 1/12 part of the mass of one atom of carbon 12. Carbon 12 is the isotopes, stable isotopes of carbon. Now, A is the atomic mass of an element is equal to mass of one atom of element upon 1 upon 12th part of the mass of one atom of carbon 12 is equal to mass of one atom of element upon mass of one atom of carbon 12 into 12. This is the formula. The quantity A was formerly known as atomic weight. However, this term is no longer used as the word weight means gravitation force. The term Dalton is used for the atomic mass unit. 1 Dalton is equal to 1 AMU. This is known as atomic mass unit. The quantity 1 upon 12 mass of an atom of carbon 12 is known as the atomic mass unit and is abbreviated as AMU. The actual mass of one atom of carbon 12 is 1.9924 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram or 1.9924 into 10 to the power minus 26 kilogram. Thus, 1 AMU is equal to 1.9924 into 10 to the power minus 23 upon 12 is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24, or it is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. Now, A atomic mass of an element is equal to mass of one atom of the element upon 1 AMU. The atomic masses of sub-elements on the basis of carbon 12 are given here. Hydrogen 1.008 AMU, oxygen 16 AMU, chlorine 30.35.453 AMU, magnesium 24.305 AMU, copper 63.546 AMU, iron 55.847 AMU, sodium 22.989 AMU, zinc 65.38 AMU, silver 106.868 AMU. The actual mass of an atom of element is equal to atomic mass of an element in AMU. The actual mass of an atom of an element is equal to the atomic mass of an element in AMU into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. So, the actual mass of hydrogen atom is 1.008 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 is equal to 1.6736 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Similarly, the oxygen, the actual mass of oxygen atom is 16 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 is equal to 2.656 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. It is clear from the above list of atomic masses that atomic masses of a number of elements are not merely whole numbers. Actually, the above values are average relative masses. Most of the elements occur in nature as mixture of isotopes. Isotopes are the atoms of the same element having different atomic masses. With very few exceptions, however, elements have constant mixture of isotopes. Chlorine is found in nature as a mixture containing two isotopes, C35. Mass is 34.969 AMU, and C37. Atomic mass is 36.966 AMU of AMU. These are found in two ratios, 75%, 75.53% CCl5 and 24.47% Cl37. Therefore, the average relative mass of chlorine is calculated at दोनों के परसेंट मॉस को उसके परसेंटेज 0.7553 से डिवाइड करते हुए दोनों को जोड़ देते हैं तो हमें इसका मॉस मिलता है किसका, क्लोरीन का, जो कि हम 35.5 आमतौर से लिखते हैं। तो ये हो जाएगा 34.969 इंटू 0.7553 प्लस 36.966, ये इसका वेट इंटू 0.2446। Based on the average mass, the atomic mass of chlorine is 35.46 or 35.5 AMU. But it is never possible to have an atom having a relative mass 35.5 AMU. It can have relative mass of about 35.0 or 37.0 AMU depending on the particular isotope. Thus, average relative mass of any naturally occurring sample of chlorine is 35.46 or 35.5 AMU, as it is a mixture of two isotopes present in different proportions. The same reasoning applied to all other elements. Now, formula for the calculation of average relative atomic mass may be given as average relative mass of element is equal to sum of the percentage abundance upon 100 into atomic mass. That is, average relative mass of chlorine is 75.53 upon 100 into 34.969 प्लस 24.47, ये परसेंटेज है और उसके वेट हैं ये क्लोरीन 35 और क्लोरीन 37 के इंटू 36.966, तो ये एवरेज वेट क्या हो जाएगा 35.457. Ratio of 17Cl35 and 17Cl37 is 3:1. Thus, average relative mass of chlorine may be given as 3 into 35 upon 3 plus 1 into 37 upon 1 is equal to 35.5. The average atomic mass of various elements are determined by multiplying the atomic mass of each isotope by its fractional abundance and adding the values thus obtained. The fractional abundance is determined by dividing percentage abundance by 100, जैसा कि अभी देखा तुम लोगों ने. Now example, naturally occurring neon consists of 3 isotopes, Ne20, Ne21 and Ne22. Their percentage abundance in nature are 90.51, 0.27 and 9.22. इन तीनों का है respectively. Calculate the average atomic mass of neon. किस तरह निकालेंगे? Average atomic mass is equal to sum of the percent abundance upon 100 into isotopic mass. तो फर्स्ट का है 90.51 अपॉन 100 हो जाएगा इनटू 20, उस क्या है ये एएमयू में मास है, एटॉमिक मास है, और उसके बाद दूसरा आइसोटोप है उसका है 0.27 अपॉन 100 हो जाएगा इंटू 21, थर्ड का है 22 और इसका जो परसेंटेज आएगा वो 9.22 अपॉन 100. इनको इस तरह से ये मल्टीप्लाई करके और हम इसको ऐड कर देंगे तो क्या आएगा 20.179 AMU. Second example, boron has two isotopes, boron 10 and boron 11, whose percentage abundance are 19.6% and 80.4% respectively. व्हाट इज द एवरेज एटॉमिक मास ऑफ द कार्बन, उसी तरह से होगा कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ बोरान 10 इतना हो जाएगा 10 इंटू 0.96 is equal to 1.96 AMU. Contribution of boron 11 is this, and adding both, उस तरह से अलग अलग पहले दोनों को हम कैलकुलेट करके फिर ऐड करें, और उससे पहले हमने साथ में सब कुछ किया। तो इस तरह से बोथ जब ऐड किया हमने तो आया 10.804 AMU। thus the average atomic mass of boron is 10.804। Another example, carbon occurs in nature as a mixture of carbon 12 and carbon 13. The average atomic mass of carbon is 12.011. What is the percentage of abundance of carbon 12 in nature? तो अब इसमें हमको सिर्फ परसेंटेज निकालना है उसी फार्मूले से। Now let x be the percentage abundance of carbon 12, then 100 minus x will be the percentage abundance of carbon 13. Therefore कार्बन 12 का ये हो जाएगा, कार्बन 13 का ये हो जाएगा। दोनों को ऐड किया तो आया 12.011, और वैल्यूज रखेंगे हम, दी हुई है इसकी वैल्यू दी हुई है और x हमें निकालना है, तो इस तरह से सिंप्लीफाई करके x इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 98.9। एबंडेंस ऑफ कार्बन इज 98.9%। Now gram atomic mass or gram atom. When numerical values of atomic mass of the element is expressed in gram, the value becomes gram atomic mass or gram atom. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16, while gram atomic mass or gram atom of oxygen is 16 gram. जब हम ग्राम में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे एटॉमिक मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन या किसी भी एलिमेंट का, तो वो ग्राम में लिखा जाएगा। सिमिलरली द ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, क्लोरीन एंड नाइट्रोजन आर, वही होगा जो एटॉमिक मास है 1.00 जी। फर्क क्या होगा कि हम यहाँ इसको ग्राम में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। 35.5 ग्राम क्लोरीन का हो जाएगा और नाइट्रोजन का हो जाएगा 14 ग्राम। Now the gram atomic mass or gram atom of every element consists of same number of atoms. This number is called Avogadro number. See this again, gram atomic mass or gram atom of every element consists of same number of atoms. This number is called Avogadro number. The value of Avogadro number is 6.06 into 10 to the power 23. Now the absolute mass of one oxygen atom is 16 AMU is equal to 16 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Therefore, the mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen will be, कितना हो जाएगा? अब इस ग्राम को यानी mass of the 6.023 into 2 to 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen will be 16 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 multiplied by Avogadro number is equal to 16 gram, that is gram atomic mass. Thus, the gram atomic mass can be defined as the absolute masses in grams of 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of any element. Number of gram atoms of any element can be calculated with the help of following formula. Number of gram atoms is equal to mass of the element in gram upon atomic mass of the element in gram. Now molecular mass. Like an atom, a molecule of the substance is also a very small particle possessing a mass of the order of 10 to the power minus 24 to 10 to the power minus 22 gram. Similar to atomic mass, molecular mass is also expressed as relative mass with respect to the mass of standard substance, which is an atom of hydrogen or of an atom of oxygen or an atom of carbon 12. The molecular mass of a substance may be defined as the mass of a molecule of a substance relative to the mass of an atom of hydrogen as 1.008 or of oxygen taken as 16 or the mass of one atom of carbon taken as 12. Now the molecular mass is a number which indicate how many times one molecule of substance is heavier in comparison to 1 upon 16th of the mass of oxygen atom, 1 of the 12th of the mass of the carbon atom. M is equal to molecular mass is equal to mass of one molecule of the substance upon 1/12th mass of one atom of carbon 12. The of the mass of a molecule is equal to sum of the masses of the atom present in molecule. One molecule of water consists of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. The molecular mass of water is 2 into 1.0008, ये ऑक्सीजन का वेट है और 2 एटम प्रेजेंट है वाटर में, प्लस 16 इज द मास ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन. दोनों को ऐड करके हमको वाटर का molecular mass मालूम होता है 18.016 AMU. The molecule of H2SO4 sulfuric acid consists of two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of sulfur and four atoms of oxygen. Thus the molecular mass of the sulfuric acid 2 into molecular mass of the atomic mass of the hydrogen 1.008 प्लस ऑक्सीजन का मॉलिक्यूलर एटॉमिक मास है 32, नो सल्फर का एटॉमिक मास है 32 एंड सल्फर का 16 और यहाँ 4 मॉलिक्यूल है तो ये हो जाएगा 4 into 16. तो H2SO4 मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ H2SO4 2 into 1.008 into 32 into 4 into 16 is equal to 98.016 or 98.016 AMU. Now gram molecular mass. A quantity of substance whose mass in gram is numerically equal to its molecular mass is called gram molecular mass. जब हम ग्राम में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो वो ग्राम molecular mass कहलाएगा. In other words, molecular mass of a substance expressed in grams are called gram molecular mass or gram molecule. For example, one molecular mass of chlorine is 71. Therefore, its gram molecular mass or gram molecule is 71 gram. The molecular mass of chlorine is 71 and therefore its gram molecular mass or gram molecule is 71 gram. Similarly, molecular mass of oxygen is 32, that is 2 into 16. इसमें 2 एटम है ऑक्सीजन के तो ये हो जाएगा 32 AMU. Now the gram molecular mass of oxygen is, जब ग्राम में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो ये 32 ग्राम. न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू वही होगी, ग्राम में रिप्रेजेंट करने पे यहाँ ग्राम लिखेंगे. Now molecular mass of nitric acid HNO3 is 63. किस तरह से? Atomic mass of hydrogen plus atomic mass of hydrogen. यहाँ 3 molecule of oxygen है तो ये हो जाएगा 3 into 16. Now after adding we get 63 AMU. When represent in gram, this is 63 gram. Gram molecular mass of nitric acid is 63 gram. Now gram molecular mass should not be confused with the mass of molecule of the substance in gram. The mass of the one molecule of a substance is known as its actual mass. For complete, the actual mass of one molecule of oxygen is equal to the actual mass of one molecule of oxygen is कितना होता है 32.1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram, that is 5.312 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. The number of gram molecules of a substance present in a given mass of substance can be determined by the application of the following formula. The number of gram molecule is equal to mass of the substance in gram upon molecular mass of the substance in gram. तो ये फॉर्मूला काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है न्यूमेरिकल्स में कि number of gram molecule is equal to mass of a substance in gram upon molecular mass of the substance. Now see the example. Calculate the mass of 2.5 gram atom of oxygen. We know that number of gram atom is equal to mass of an element in gram upon atomic mass of the element in gram. The mass of the oxygen 25.5 into 2.5 80 ग्राम हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे जो दिया हुआ है mass of the oxygen, और हमें यहाँ पे क्या निकालना था, mass of the 2.5 ग्राम atoms of oxygen. तो number of gram atom is equal to mass of an element upon atomic mass of the element. तो इस फॉर्मूले से हमको क्या निकालना है, mass of the oxygen. ये हो जाएगा 25.5 इंटू एटॉम जो मॉलिकुलर मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन O2 का 32, इससे मल्टीप्लाई हो गया. Calculate the gram atom in 2.3 gram of sodium. The number of gram atom is equal to 2.3 दिया है, और उसके atomic mass of the sodium से divide करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, number of gram atoms is equal to 0.1. Calculate the mass of 1.5 gram molecule of sulfuric acid. Molecular mass of sulfuric acid अभी जैसा कि निकाला था, 2 into 1 32 plus 4 into 16 98 AMU. Gram molecular mass of H2SO4 is 98.0 gram. Mass of 1 gram of molecule of H2SO4 is equal to 98.0 into 1.5 is equal to 147 gram. Now calculate the actual mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide. Molecular mass of CO2 is 44. निकाल करके देखोगे 12 प्लस 32 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का मॉलिकुलर मास आएगा 44, और 1 AMU इज इक्वल टू 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Then the actual mass of CO2 is 44 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 is equal to 7.304 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Now calculate the mass of single molecule of O2 in AMU. Calculate the mass of single molecule of O2 in AMU and in gram. Now molecular mass of O2 is 32 AMU. Mass of single molecule of O2 will be 32 AMU. Mass of single molecule of O2 in gram. Divide कर देंगे, multiply कर देंगे तो आएगा 5.312 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Now come on the Avogadro hypothesis. According to Dalton's atomic theory, elements react with each other in the simple ratio of their atoms. Gay-Lussac proposed that gases combine in simple ratio of their volumes. In an attempt to correlate Dalton's atomic theory with Gay-Lussac law of gaseous volume, Berzelius stated that under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volume of all gases contain the same number of atoms. This hypothesis was subsequently found to be incorrect as it failed to interpret the experimental result and contradicted the very basic assumption of Dalton's atomic theory, that is, an atom is indivisible. For example, the formation of hydrogen chloride from hydrogen and chlorine could not be explained on the basis of Berzelius' hypothesis. Now, according to Avogadro hypothesis, actual volumes of different gases contain same number of molecules under similar condition of temperature and pressure. Thus, 22.5 liter or 22,400 ml of any gas at NTP, normal temperature pressure, will contain 1 gram more or its molecular mass in gram. See this again. Equal volume of different gases contains same number of molecules under similar condition of temperature and pressure. Thus, 22.4 liter or 22,400 ml of any gas at NTP will contain 1 gram mole or its molecular mass in gram. This is the Avogadro hypothesis. Now come on the mole concept. This is very important concept for the chemistry. For the counting of articles, the unit of dozen or unit gross is commonly used irrespective of their nature. For example, 1 dozen pencils means 12 pencils, or 1 dozen apple means 12 apple, or 1 gross books means 140 books, or 1 gross orange means 140 oranges. In a similar way, for counting of atoms, molecule, ions, etc., chemists use the unit mole. The term mole was introduced by Ostwald in 1896. This is the Latin word moles, meaning heap or pile. A mole is defined as the number of atom in 12 gram of carbon 12. A mole is defined as the number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12. The number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12 has been found experimentally to be 6.02 into 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 23. This number is also known as Avogadro number, named in honor of Amedeo Avogadro in 1776 to 1856 तक जिन्होंने काम किया. Thus a mole contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 units. This is important point. A mole contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 units. These units can be atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, or anything else. Now, 1 mole of hydrogen atom means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen molecule means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 hydrogen molecule. And 1 mole of potassium ion means 6.06 into 10 to the power 23 potassium ions. And 1 mole of electron means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 electrons. The type of entity must be specified when the mole designation is used. A mole of oxygen atoms contains 6.02 into 10 to the power minus 23 oxygen atoms, and a mole of oxygen molecules contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen molecule. Therefore, a mole of oxygen molecule is equal to 2 moles of oxygen atom, that is 2 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atoms. How much does 1 mole weigh? That depends on the nature of particles. The mass of 1 mole atoms of any element is exactly equal to the atomic mass in gram. That is gram atomic mass or gram atom of that element. Now see this again. The mass of 1 mole atom of any element is exactly equal to the atomic mass in gram, that of element. For example, the atomic mass of aluminum is 27 AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. As you know, 1 mole of aluminum contains 6.02 into 10 to the power aluminum atoms. Now the mass of 1 atom of aluminum कितना हो जाएगा 27.166 into 10 to the power minus 24, and mass of 1 mole of aluminum is equal to 1 mole में कितने पार्टिकल हैं 6.02 into 10 to the power 3, तो ये हो जाएगा 27 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to, simplify करने पे आएगा 27 gram. This is the atomic mass of aluminium in grams, or it is 1 gram atomic mass or 1 gram of aluminium. Similarly, the mass of 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, that is 1 mole. 1 mole में molecules कितना होगा? 6.02 into 23 molecules of a substance is equal to its molecular mass in gram, or gram molecular mass, or gram molecule. For example, molecular mass of water is 18, thus mass of 1 mole of water molecule is the molecular mass of water is 18 AMU, thus mass of 1 mole of water will be 18 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 23 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, that is 18 gram. This is the molecular mass of water in grams, or 1 gram molecular mass, or 1 gram molecule. Now, the mole concept is also applicable to ionic compounds which do not contain molecules. In such cases, the formula of an ionic compound represents the ratio between constituents ion. The mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 formula unit represent 1 mole of an ionic compound. 1 mole of barium chloride is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 BaCl2 unit is equal to 208.2 gram barium chloride. Now, molecular mass, or formula mass of the BaCl2 is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 barium ion plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 क्लोराइड आयन, दोनों को ऐड करने पे कितना आता है? उतना ही 208.2 ग्राम. Now, 1 mole of any substance will have mass equal to formula mass of that substance expressed in gram. So this is the definition. This is the value of mole. What is the mole? 1 mole of any substance will have mass equal to formula mass of that substance expressed in gram. It has been established by Avogadro's hypothesis that 1 gram molecular mass of any gaseous substance occupies volume of 22.4 liter at NTP. 1 gram molecular mass is nothing but 1 mole of substance. 1 gram molecular mass is nothing but 1 mole of substance. Thus, 1 mole, that is 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecule of any gaseous substance occupies 22.4 liter as volume at NTP. The following formula satisfy the above discussion. 1 mole of substance is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 particle of the substance. Number of mole of substance is equal to mass of the substance upon mass of 1 mole of substance in gram. Both units taken into 1 gram into gram. Further, number of moles. Number of moles is equal to number of particles upon 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, क्योंकि 1 mole में इतने particle होते हैं. Thus, the number of particle upon 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to mass of a substance in a gram upon mass of 1 mole of substance. दोनों फार्मूले को ज्वाइन करके देख सकते हैं. Now, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा था कि नंबर ऑफ मोल ऑफ द सब्सटेंस के लिए फार्मूला ये है, दूसरा नंबर ऑफ मोल्स के लिए ये है. तो 10 ये दोनों इक्वल करने पे अब हो जाएगा मास ऑफ 1 एटम ऑफ एन एलिमेंट इज इक्वल टू ग्राम एटम ऑफ एन एलिमेंट अपॉन 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Now, mass of 1 molecule of substance is equal to gram molecular mass of the substance upon 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 volume of 23. and number of molecule is the volume of gas is liter and NTP. Number of molecules is equal to number of gas in liter at NTP upon 22.5 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. The mole concept or the Avogadro number, find the following applications. First, to calculate the mass of one atom of the element. Mass of one atom of element is equal to gram atomic mass upon 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to atomic mass in AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power 24 gram. Now, to calculate the mass of one molecule of the substance with the formula, mass of one molecule of substance is equal to gram molecular mass upon 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to, this is the molecular mass in AMU, into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Now, to calculate the number of atom in a given mass of an element, the formula is that the number of atoms in given mass of the element is equal to mass of the element in gram into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 upon gram atomic mass. उसके बाद है to calculate the number of molecule in given mass of the substance. The number of molecule in a given mass of substance is equal to mass of the substance into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 upon gram molecular mass. Now to calculate the number of molecule present in V liter of the gas at NTP is equal to volume of the gas in liter into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 upon 22.4 liter. Now, logarithmic number is the number of molecule present in 1 cc gas at STP. STP is standard temperature and pressure. Logarithmic number is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 upon 22,400, जो कि ml में जब लिया जाता है तब 22.4 ml NTP पे वॉल्यूम होता है गैस का, इक्वल टू 2.688 into 10 to the power minus 90. Now, relationship between molecular mass and vapor density. This is very important relationship. Relationship between molecular mass and vapor density. The vapor density of any gas is the ratio of the densities of the gas and hydrogen under similar condition of temperature and pressure. Vapor density, in short it is represented as VD, is equal to density of gas upon density of hydrogen. This equal to mass of certain volume of gas upon mass of same volume of hydrogen at the same temperature and pressure. If n molecules are present in the given volume of a gas and hydrogen under similar condition of temperature and pressure, then vapor density is equal to mass of n molecule of gas upon mass of n molecule of hydrogen is equal to mass of one molecule of gas upon mass of one molecule of hydrogen. This equal to molecular mass of gas upon molecular mass of hydrogen is equal to molecular mass upon 2, since molecular mass of hydrogen is 2. Now, 2 into vapor density is equal to molecular mass. This formula can be used for the determination of molecular masses of volatile substance from vapor density. Vapor density if measured mainly by two methods, Victor-Meyer method and Dumas method. उसके बाद है molecular formula. Avogadro's hypothesis help in finding the molecular formula of gases. Under similar condition of temperature and pressure, two volumes of ozone after decomposition give volume of oxygen. Ozone two volume यानी two molecules, one molecules decomposition होता है तो oxygen three whole या three molecules, 3/2 molecules of three atoms. Thus the formula of ozone is O3. तो इस तरह से मोल कंसेप्ट शुरुआत से लेकर के पूरी तरह से मोल क्या होता है, 1 मोल या जो हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं अक्सर न्यूमेरिकल में, तो उसका क्या मतलब होता है, यानी 1 ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मास जो होता है 1 मोल के बराबर होता है, और 1 मोल में 6.02 इंटू 10⁻23 पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट होते हैं। तो ये चीज़ें आज के क्लास में तुम लोगों ने जाना, जो कि बहुत ही बेसिक, बहुत ही अच्छे बेसिक पॉइंट्स हैं, जो आगे के जो जो भी तुम्हारे कंसेप्ट होंगे वो भी क्लियर होंगे इनसे। तो ये छोटी छोटी बातें ज़रूरी होती हैं पहले केमिस्ट्री डिटेल में पढ़ने से पहले। तो इस चैप्टर में हम इन्हीं चीज़ों की डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। अगले क्लास में हम और भी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज़ और दूसरी जो हाइपोथेसिस होगी वो हम अगले क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे।